Good afternoon, Facebook friends. Let's take another walk around Grandpa's tractor and take a look what's been going on. Got the motor mounted. Got the lift put on. All the cables are put in. So I'll get around there. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Throttle cables, choke cables, gas lines, batteries connected up, starters connected. Came back in, welded that front end up, and then ground it down and painted it. Front end's been greased. Not bad, huh? Looking pretty good. So, why don't we just take a ride with Grandpa on his tractor now and take it for a little test drive. Alright, let's hop on him. Okay. Alright, we drop it into reverse. There you go. Back him out a little bit. Alright, back over to, we'll put it up into 6 and give it a little gas. That was fun. I still want to do something with the steering rod down there and the relay rod and put some rod ends in there and do that. Next thing to do with it is mount the mower deck. Got plenty of grass out here to cut, and again, I want to thank you for asking about the tractor and giving me a chance to post these videos up on the Facebook to all my friends. There we go. Not bad. Again, that was kind of fun. I mount the mower deck on it, and we'll do some real work with it. I'd like to take the time to dedicate all these videos I've been pasting up on Facebook to my grandson Dylan Taylor. I've been thinking about him, and I hope he has a chance to look at them. I guess what I'm really thinking about is getting his little butt over here and cut some grass for me once I get it back done. I got plenty of it out there. That's just part of it. But again, I want to thank you for asking about it and let me post it and viewing. I think this is a pretty good end to Grandpa's tractor. Alright, well, we got a lot of work to do to it yet. Put that mower deck on. Thank you for asking. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, I fed the crow this morning. He's already gone. He'll be back here later this afternoon. He makes about 2 stops a day, so I got to get ready for him. All right, guys, we'll catch you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.